Finding the courage to change. Communicating responsibly. When I started my self-improvement journey, my words were blaming. I was always upset about what someone did or said. I blamed others for making me unhappy. Gradually, I learned that when I blame others, I give my power away to them. I'm giving them the power to make me happy or unhappy. When I depend upon another for happiness, I might have a long wait. I gradually learned to focus on myself. What am I thinking? What do I say? How do I say it? What judgments do I hold about another person? I take back my power by noticing and choosing my own thoughts, feelings, attitudes, and beliefs. What I focus on expands. If I'm running low on gas, I'm going to start looking for gas stations. I'll ignore signs for restaurants and stores while I search for the gasoline that I need. If I'm hungry, I won't notice the gas stations, but I will see the restaurant signs. If my focus is on what someone did wrong, that difficulty is likely to continue or get worse. It's all I'm going to notice. However, if I focus on the good qualities about that person, if I assume that they're doing their best, if I look for common ground, then I'm going to find what I'm looking for. To communicate responsibly, I have to become aware of my thoughts and emotions. I want to ground myself in an attitude of gratitude, love, and kindness. I want to expect the best of others. I set my inner compass for joy. First, I get my focus right. Then I can communicate responsibly.